Hi tribe, welcome to my channel. And to all my new viewers, welcome. My name's Miss Wangoi Mwethathi, and today I'll be giving you top 5 investment trends to watch out in 2025. Stay tuned. I don't know if it's just me, but 2025 feels like it's giving vibes of being a transformative year, especially for investors, people like us, people who like to invest, okay? Whether you're a seasoned investor or you're just starting out, these top 5 trends could just be the roadmap to your financial growth. So stick around for trend 5 because it might just surprise you. Investing is all about staying ahead of the curve. Investment curves are always backed up by data and are shaping markets globally. So let's dive into these opportunities one by one, starting with the one transforming industries worldwide. So the first trend is technology investments. These are things like AI, robotics, and blockchain. For instance, see how ChatGPT is changing and influencing tech industries. It is impacting tech companies in great and massive ways. Who would have thought? Okay. Invest in tech ETFs or tech stocks. These tech stocks represent companies that engage in businesses relating to current and emerging technologies. So try and be on the lookout for emerging technologies. Try and invest, put a little bit of your money in that. From technology, let's move to another hot topic, which is saving the planet while making money. Which brings us to trend number 2, green and sustainable investments. These are things like ESG funds or renewable energy. For example, Tesla's impact in electric vehicles. I'm sure everybody knows or has heard about Tesla. Okay. The other day I was Googling like how much one share of Tesla costs. Research on sustainable companies that are environmentally friendly and that focus on sustainable practices. These are great investments, and this is because you'll be making more money while combating climate change and promoting responsible development. Now, let's have a look at real estate. We all love real estate. I love real estate. But there's different ways of looking at it. So look out for real estate opportunities. This could be affordable housing, rental properties, or co-living with someone. When you look at Kenya, there's housing demand. Look into things like rates or small-scale rental opportunities or investments. Nowadays in real estate, there's something for the big fish and there's something for the small fish. Okay? If you have a lot of money, you can go for real estate properties. But if you have little amount of money and you really want to do real estate, you can start with things like rates. Nowadays, when it comes to real estate, there's something for everyone. So these are some of the best options for investors who are seeking high profit potentials. Next up, let's talk about something more digital, because we are evolving, we are moving to the digital world, okay? Which brings us to trend number 4, which are digital assets and cryptocurrencies. I'm sure you all have heard about these things, things like stable coins, Bitcoin. For instance, check out Bitcoin's performance in 2024. It is good, right? Start small with a small portion of crypto. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, and something like Bitcoin Cash. These are assets that exist in digital form. They are stored, transferred, and managed electronically. So you have to change your mindset, okay, from analog to digital. Because if your mindset is not changed, you'll have a hard time embracing things like cryptocurrencies or even digital assets. And that's why most of the time we say, if you really want to improve in these times, you first have to work on your mindset. You have to accept to change, okay? Digital assets can also include things like music, art, or NFTs. Lastly, let's go global with emerging markets, which brings us to the last trend, trend number 5 that I have for you today. Emerging markets. Focus on high growth regions, for example, Africa and Southeast Asia. For instance, Kenya's fintech startups are gaining a lot of traction. So imagine yourself having invested in such a market. Invest in diversified emerging market funds. Okay? It's okay to diversify. You don't necessarily have to invest in one market fund. The good thing about emerging markets is that they have a lot of or too much potential. There's a lot of room for growth. And at the rate at which people are accepting these things, I think it's just best for you to go and start investing in emerging markets. Find an area or a region that has potential for growth and invest in such. Now that you know the trends, let's talk about why they matter. And this is because they play a huge role when it comes to long-term wealth creation. They also link you to global economic shifts and personal finance growth. Okay? So I'd like to urge for you, my viewer, to start small. Do your research, and once you start, stay consistent. Well, I hope this gets to help someone. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified once we upload another new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.